We had a 2-bedroom presidential at Long Creek. And as you first come in, you have the bathroom right off to the side here that has a stacked washer and dryer. And they do include the soap, so you can do your laundry right there. And when you come out, you get right into the kitchen. They were really nice, and they actually gave my daughter a birthday gift bag when we got there, so that was a nice bonus. Has a huge seating area, bar table, foosball table, but the most impressive thing were the views off of this deck. The deck was so big, it was so welcoming. They had nice rocking chairs that you can sit in. Sit out there, you drink your coffee in the morning and just enjoy the beautiful views. You look below here, you see you've got a chess area. You've got the infinity pool off to the side and just the regular pool. Coming back in, you can go back here to the bedroom area. We have 2 full-size beds. My daughter had her birthday party, so she had a few friends with her, and it worked out great. It was plenty of space for all of them to be in. Right across the hall is the master bedroom. Got a nice fireplace, a bathtub, big king-size bed. You go into the bathroom, you've got a nice big walk-in shower, double sink, and again, right outside this window, you get the amazing views. There's a lounge area, computer desk,
And this.
your elevator. Sitting area with a massive fireplace. And there's the main check-in desk just up those stairs. Out here's the pool. It's the fitness center. We have a key access, so only people that are staying here can use.
Key access. Everybody knows that.
We got rules,
Oh, who wants coffee?
water. We've got different yoga mats and cooling towels, which I find very cool. Right out here, we go out to the pool. The pool hours are 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. They've got a nice little fire pit that you can sit out and enjoy that in the evenings. The pool was not that crowded for the time that we were there, but off to the side they do have the cabanas that are free that you can also go and enjoy. We did not use them. The kids just wanted to swim. Barbecue pit area. All beautiful views from everywhere. Another seating area and another fire pit. That's more barbecue grills over here. And they've got a giant chess game that you can play to entertain as well. Here's the infinity pool view that would be out there if we can get over there. They got a little clubhouse. Here's our mini golf. It's open 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. every day. It's just right outside of the main building. So here's where you get your clubs. You got different sizes. And over here you've got all the different color balls. And their game sheets with pencils. They even have cups with a nice water dispenser right here. The greens are really well taken care of. They have the golf balls and clubs at the front. You just go up and help yourself, and then you work your way through the course. Whenever you are finished playing your golf, you just circle right back around the building and you put your clubs and golf balls back. And here we have the activity center. They do have limited space as to how many people can come in and do the activity at a time. So make sure you call the front desk and sign up to do any different activity that they have throughout the week. All of the items are all included. There is no extra cost to this. All you do is go and have fun. They have different things from rock painting to doing pots to painting fishes. It's a great little activity to do during your vacation, and it's also a nice souvenir to have as well. Past the activities desk, they have different things. If you wanted to rent games, you can do that. You can also rent out movies to watch in your own room. Off to the side here, there is an office that they allow children to go into and play Legos. So if you are still working on your artwork, your children can come in here and play, and it doesn't rush you. There is a fitness center within the activities area. Here's the beautiful views at nighttime. It's all lit up and everything is so beautiful. You see outside all the way through the lake. It is a very impressive view on the 6th floor at Long Creek. It makes you feel very safe and secured with how well everything is lit up within the property, and it really makes you appreciate nature.